Good afternoon. Today we're looking at a 2006 Sea Ray 240 Sundeck. This boat is in really nice shape. It's been kept inside all its life. As you can see, there's no bottom paint on the boat. Gel coat is real nice and shiny. Pretty desirable color, black one. There's some minor signs of use on the sides, nothing major. For the age, I'd say the boat is exceptionally clean. The only downside we have is the fact that it's been stored inside, so at some point the covers have been lost. So we do not have the covers for the boat, but they are readily available to be purchased, and they're really not that expensive either. Here's the other side. The trailer is one of our shop trailers, so it is not available to be purchased with the boat. Here you can see the outdrive, also very clean. It appears that the transom assembly has been replaced fairly recently. You get a little extended swim platform and then walkway to the cockpit. Okay, let's go put it in the water next, and I'll show you the inside a little bit, and then we'll take it for a spin. Now we're inside our 2006 Sea Ray 240. Looking at the helm here, SmartCraft gauges. The boat has 608 hours on it. All the gauges work. The dash is actually really clean. Only the lenses on a couple of gauges have some marks on them. Fairly typical for these Sea Rays. When they get this age, that usually happens. Radio works. Here's the bow. This boat has always been kept inside high and dry, so the upholstery is in really great condition. There's a shower. There's a separate ladder underneath there. The bimini top is also in great shape. Here's the helm seat, passenger seat. They both have the bolster function. There. And here's the back seat. And I'll show you the engine. There's the 5-liter Mercruiser V8, 260 horsepower. And the exhaust risers, the manifolds have been replaced, they're new. This also has fairly new transom assembly. So the boat's truly in turnkey condition. That's the swim platform. Small wet bar. The boat has a new freshwater pump. And here's a little head compartment with the porta potty. And here's the cooler, stereo. There's a remote in the dash for the stereo, so you don't really need to adjust it from there. Okay, let's go out and do a sea trial next. Yeah, you're good.